Good morning, students. And yes, we are nearing the rise of nationalism in Europe, a virtual class, and we are nearing the end of it. And this is presented by Miss Khyati Dwarkadas. Don't worry, we still have a turn or two of it, but yes, we are nearing the end. So once again, let's go over the definition of imperialism. It is a policy or ideology of extending the rule or authority of a country over other countries and people, often by military force or by gaining political and economic control. And here's a map of imperialism in Asia. You can see that India was controlled by one particular country, Great Britain. You can see the French Indochina in green. You can see Netherlands having control over Southeast Asia. You can see Portugal in purple having control over minuscule parts like Goa. United States has taken control over the Philippine Islands. Japan has controlled Korea. And China managed to remain independent. Afghanistan still remained under the British influence. So you can see how things have been. Even Burma was under British influence. You can see how things have been, how difficult they have been for Asia right in 1914. And why is the year important? Yes, it is the year of the First World War. And why is this week important? It was Lata Mangeshkar's 91st birthday this week while I was recording your video. Now, the Balkan crisis, the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871 was the area called the Balkan region. Now, the Balkan region had a lot of geographical and ethnic variation. It comprised of modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, and Montenegro, whose inhabitants were broadly known as the Slavs. And a large part of the Balkan Empire was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire, Turkish Empire. So you can see who fits where. The Albanians, Bulgarians, Croats, Hungarians, Macedonians, Montenegrins, Muslims, Romanians, Serbs, Slovenes, Turks, and no majority present. And what happens? They let loose a policy of Turkification and troubled the Balkan Christians. So one by one, the Ottoman Empire's European subjects broke away from its control and declared their independence. The Balkan states fought for their independence and freedom from the Ottoman Empire. And the territories occupied by the Balkan nations in the Ottoman Empire, it's so very categorically given in the legend. The yellow is Albania, then there's Montenegro, Serbia, Bulgaria, Turkey, and Greece. So children, I know it's been a very difficult time learning a long chapter. But as goes my saying to you each time, study from your textbook, read the text, revise, and prepare yourselves. Life is not as difficult as it seems. Otherwise, stay home, stay safe, stay good, feel good, stay blessed. Mask yourselves, glove yourselves, cuddle up in the warmth and coziness of the home. And until we meet again in the next video, thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.